Welcome back to the ArborScope demonstration channel. This is a video on how to archive a tree from your inventory. 672 right here was just recently removed from the landscape. So now we need to archive it within the ArborScope inventory. I'm going to select the Jump To button so I can navigate right to the tree details page for 672. I'm going to type in 672 and we're going to hit go. Tree details page will pop up. And we'll have two different ways to archive this tree. From the tree details page, we have two different ways to archive this tree. We can come in here to the tree information tab and hit the gray pencil. A window is going to pop up, and if you scroll all the way down the form, you can see an option to archive this tree. We can hit yes and submit, and now you can see that this tree is archived. Let's say that we archived the wrong tree. We didn't actually mean to remove it from the landscape. We can go back to the Tree Information tab, hit the gray pencil, scroll down to the bottom of that form, and hit No under Archive This Tree. Hit Submit, and you'll see magically our tree has come back to life because it's not archived anymore. Another way to archive your tree is to come in here to Recommendations. We can come in here and hit the plus button under Edit. This will give us the ability to a tree removal as a work history item. If we come down here and hit a date completed, let's say it was today, we hit OK, work performed by Crew A, and we hit submit. Now you'll see at the top of the page, this tree is now archived again. What you'll also see when you do an archiving through a tree removal is you now have a work history item of when that tree removal is done. I do need to make note that when we do archive a tree, we're not deleting it from the database. It's still in there. It's just not on our live maps anymore. We don't need to be looking at it in the inventory if it's not in the landscape. You can also use the Multiple Tree Work Editor tool if you have more than one tree to archive. And you can very simply do that by scrolling up to the toolbar, going to the Manage Features tab, clicking on the Manage Multiple Tree Work and Attribute Editing. From here, we can type in the numbers that we want to archive using a comma-separated list. Come down to our work type, Removal, select the date, today, you can enter the crew, and then we can hit Update, and that will do a mass editing for the attributes that you select. Again, this is a short video on how to archive trees.